With Tomplay, you can easily manage all your scores, so they're always available on your devices. You can organize them in different ways and even create folders to keep your practice sessions structured. To manage your scores, go to My Scores, then go to Sort and choose how you'd like to view your scores. You can sort them by name, composer, difficulty, style, instrument, or download date. If you have a large library, we recommend using the list view, which lets you display more scores at once. Otherwise, the grid view gives you more details for each score. Use this button to create and manage your folders. To add a new folder, select Create Folder, give it a name, and confirm. Then simply add the scores you want. You can also create subfolders or even use folders like playlists when you perform. And remember, once you download scores or create folders on any of your devices, they will synchronize across the other devices you use with Tomplay.